Hi folks, today we're taking a look at Gundam guitar picks from Japan. If you're not familiar with Gundam, here's a little info on it. Feel free to pause the video and read it all the way through. Anyway, this series was released about the year 2000 or so. I could be a few off. But it's not current. And it was produced in 5 different series, one after another. And each series was discontinued before the second one, or third and fourth and fifth in this case, was put out. Since it encourages the collector, and by the way, collecting is huge in Japan, but encourages the collector to buy the series before they can't find them anymore, and the next series comes out. A little lazy here. I only put Series 2 in order as I usually do. All these are double-sided though. Great images on both sides. They feature at least 4 different materials, 2 different types of nylon, celluloid, metacarbonate. And there's a Series 2 that I did put out for you to see. Couple of cool things going on beside the graphics. Now, I'm not a big Gundam fan, but I'm a fan of picks that have excellent graphics. And these were given to me as a gift by the owner of the company that produced them. I'm deeply indebted to him and grateful. I want to show you something really cool. You can actually see through this pick. It's printed on a translucent green material, but it has that centerpiece there that's not printed, so you can actually see through it. How cool is that? Wow. Again, great graphics. Double-sided print. Between all 5 series, there's 180 or so picks here. So cool. And yes, these are rare, even though they're modern and they're not tour guitar picks. As I said, they're put out in limited numbers. They'll produce one run and stop right there. They get bought up, and if you didn't get them, you're done. You can't get them. Here's another one you could see through the eyes on that one. Double-sided print. As I mentioned, all of them are. Same thing here. Double-sided print. Exquisite graphics. Gundam Seed. You might be familiar with some of these military units. A number of these picks have. You could see the military unit itself was labeled. All different. Get a wide angle pan here. How cool is that, right? Gundam guitar picks. Take care, friends.